So let's get started with the first question of our interview, and that is why English is a global language, Professor? You have all the floor.
Oh, right. Thank you very much. Well, it's a delight to have the opportunity to chat to you about this sort of topic. I mean, it is probably one of the biggest topics of all, given that English has become so global.
Yes.
In the latest statistics I did for the English Language Encyclopedia, the third edition, a couple of years ago, it's something like 2.3 billion people around the world using English, which is, again, a significant increase on what the previous figures. So it is becoming increasingly global. And so the question indeed is, you know, why? And there is one very simple answer to this question. A language becomes international and then global for one reason only, and that is the power of the people who speak it.
Okay.
That sounds like a very simple answer, but of course, when one explores the question, what is power? Then, of course, it means many different things. And so you break down the question next into the different types of power that made English a global language. And in my view, there are four main types. There's first of all the obvious one, the one that everybody knows about, the political, military power, if you will, of the British Empire. So we're talking now about a period of expansion of English into, first of all, the British Isles, generally Ireland, and then into what is now the United States, and then eventually throughout the empire world.